Welcome to Dovetail Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to customize Home to help guide your stakeholders' experience in Dovetail. And although we're focusing on one way to set up your homepage, you can customize Home in any way that makes sense to your team. Let's start by navigating to Home and check out what an organized homepage looks like. This is EIF's homepage. They're a fictional company, and they've customized their homepage with everything their stakeholders need to know before they start exploring Dovetail on their own. There's an introduction to align their team, information for stakeholders on where to find quality insights, and a list of teams conducting research in Dovetail. EIF also have a section to communicate updates and data privacy rules. Now let's walk through how to set up a homepage like this one that helps stakeholders get the most out of Dovetail. Currently, the homepage is locked for editing. To enable the editor, let's select Edit Home. You can edit the homepage if you have manager access and you're on a business or enterprise plan. Now we are editing our homepage and have access to our editor. For our homepage, we'll delete the default content and paste in content that we want on our homepage. Let's break this up into sections to help signpost content for stakeholders. To do this, we'll make some headings. First, we'll select some text that we want to reformat and navigate to the text menu in the toolbar. Here we can see all our text formatting options. We want to draw attention to our message, so we'll make it a heading and make it large. From here, we'll format our other headings so that this information is structured and easy for stakeholders to take in. Next, we want to tidy up each section so that related information is grouped together in a neat layout. We can do this by adding a layout. To add a layout, we'll select where we want our layout to go, and then click the plus button. Here we can see layout along with other options we can use. Let's select layout. By default, layouts display 2 columns. If we click into the menu, we can change this to a 3-column layout, but for now, let's just stick to 2 columns. By clicking and holding on the drag handle next to our text, we can move content into the layout we just made. Let's go ahead and tidy this content by grouping related information together. Great. Now that our headings are clear and related information is grouped together, let's make sure that the important information stands out on our homepage. We want to ensure that stakeholders know where to go if they want to view insights, and to do this, we'll use a card. To create a new card, click on the plus button and select Card. We'll paste in our text and change the color of our card. We also want to make sure that stakeholders are kept up to date with any announcements or updates to our organization's policies and processes, so we'll add another 2 cards on our homepage for this information. Next, we'll add dividers to break up information on our homepage. To do this, click the plus button in the toolbar and select Divider. We'll drag this into our first section. From there, we can copy and paste another one here. Now that we have organized our content neatly, let's brand our homepage with a banner image. We'll click the plus button, then select Image and upload an image to our homepage. The last thing we need to do is ensure that our findings are easily accessible to anyone who comes into the workspace. For this, we'll create a feed. Feeds are located to the left of the homepage. They're a great starting point for stakeholders to self-serve research findings without needing to jump into projects. To create a new feed, click Add Feed. We are now in our feed. We'll give it a title and change its icon. Feeds are populated with content as it's created in the workspace, and they're fully customizable. We want this feed to display the latest insights. So under Display, we'll toggle on Insights and sort by published in descending order. Now our feed is ready to display all the latest insights published across the workspace. You might want to create individual feeds for popular tags, for specific functions at your organization, or insights made by specific teams. And that's how you can customize your home to help guide your stakeholders' experience in Dovetail. Get started customizing Home in Dovetail today, and click subscribe for more Dovetail tips, tutorials, and stories about insights.